Hi. As you can see, I'm here by the Freedom Monument in Phnom Penh. It's right here behind me, the Freedom Monument. It is virtually here in the middle of Phnom Penh. As you can see, we shop around a bit. Let's just turn around. You can see the beautiful boulevard that I'm standing in right now at this point of time. Yes, the Mekong River is just down this way over here. A little bit further down there, you'll see the Mekong River is down there. And yes, I must say it is quite a nice place to be at times, right? Right. But I'm not here to talk about the Freedom Monument or about the Mekong River. What we're actually here to talk about is trading Forex. As many of you know, I am not a professional trader. I'm one of those self-taught traders. I kept at it until I managed to get myself into a winning position. Although it took me a very, very long time to get myself in order, as trading is not about your trading strategy or anything else like that, or luck or anything like that. It is more about how you approach trading, how you think about trading, and things like that. That is what is important in any form of trading. Once you can get yourself in order, you will find that all of a sudden you become profitable. It's how you think about trading. Anybody that says to you that you will have no losses is lying to you, because trading is all about how you manage your losses and how you manage your trades. I know there's millions of people or thousands of people out there advertising that you can trade and trade and trade, and you can start off with $100 and you can trade it up very quickly, up to maybe $1 million or so. But think realistic. Can you really buy a system for $100 that's going to make you a millionaire in a month? Let's be real. That is just not possible. And if you are so stupid to believe that, then I suppose you deserve to lose your money. Because the only guy that's making money there is a person that is selling you the program. Nobody else will be making money out of something like that, except the guy that's selling you the program. Also, scalping. There are so many people that just say scalping, scalping, scalping. The only guy that makes money out of the scalping is a guy that is selling you the software, because he gets commission on every trade you do. So he makes the money, not you. You will end up losing. You'll end up broke, most probably. Sure, there are people that are making money out of scalping, but you must look at all the correct conditions before you even think of trading scalping. If you think you're going to be living far away from where your broker servers are, in countries like in Southeast Asia, and you're going to make money scalping, think again. Your internet is just not up to scratch. Surely, anybody advertising that you can make big money is lying to you. I take myself. Many years ago, I met somebody, a full-time trader, a professional trader on the internet. This guy was from Austria. He was a trader in Austria. Yet, he said he was making 5%. We all laughed at him. We said, it's a joke. Trading Forex, you should be making at least 100% a month. He just laughed at us. And surely, 10 years later, I have realized what he was talking about. To try and make that type of money is only one way, and that is by overtrading. And when you're overtrading, sure as hell, it's not a matter of if you're going to wipe your account. It's just a question of when you're going to wipe your account, because it's definitely going to happen. Trading is not for the faint-hearted, believe me. I remember when I did my first course in trading Forex, I think we were 20 plus students in the classroom that attended the course. If we are still 2 left trading, it's a lot, really. Most people will end up broke, losing their entire investment, and I suppose that's the way it goes with 99% of all people starting out to trade. It's a pity, because there's just so many people out there selling things, convincing people to invest their money into trading, and they are not responsible for what they are doing or what they are selling. I just wish that there would be some system brought out which would at least hold people responsible for what they are selling and for what they are telling you on the internet. I think that way they might be able to reduce the amount of people selling you hogwash and telling you hogwash on the internet. Really, if you're not really into trading, don't think because you are jobless, you can take your last couple of dollars and now all of a sudden you're going to make a living. Forget it. It doesn't work that way. If you've got capital to spare, sure, put it in, start trading. And only once you've become profitable and you can cover your monthly expenses out of your trading, only then would I suggest that you can maybe think of stopping to trade. You can start trading and make a living on $5,000. It's possible. I've done it. But unfortunately, when your $5,000, for some or other reason, you run into a personal problem and you have to withdraw some of your capital, you have to find a part-time job just to get your capital up a bit again. That happens to me from time to time while I'm living in Asia. While I was living in Thailand, it was quite okay because at least in Thailand, how must I put it to you, life was very cheap and you can manage to survive on whatever you are earning. If you can earn 5% on your investment per month and you can start compounding, do you know what's going to happen to your account? Can you just imagine what is going to happen to your account? Really, I think everybody must be realistic about things. And if you think you're going to just turn a couple of dollars into millions of dollars by trading or following somebody's strategy, think again. There are thousands of strategies and systems on YouTube for free. Try them, see how many of them work. Over the years, I have bought many programs and strategies and indicators. And honestly, I think I've only found one that is reliable. And it doesn't produce anything what people say it does. But at least I bought one indicator from Point Zero Trading. And I must say that indicator works. I've bought many from him, but I only found one that's really working and giving me a consistent profit over a couple of years now already. It works on a daily system. So yes, your trades are few and far between, but at least it does deliver a profit. Also, I stopped trading currencies a long time ago because on currencies, you are just so lucky to make money on currencies. Very few people make money trading currencies. I've gone back to indices because before I started trading Forex, I used to trade the stock markets. And trading the stock markets on the JSE in South Africa, I didn't do too bad. Therefore, I have changed back to the indices because an indice, you are trading the 100 or the 50 or whatever top shares of that particular stock exchange. I trade the FTSE, is my favorite, and of course the SP 500. The SP 500 this year has really delivered some very good trades, and I think we can thank Donald Trump for that. Really, the FTSE this year, I've had very good trades in the previous years, very good profits, but this year with the Brexit thing going on, I don't know, the FTSE just hasn't really delivered anything profitable. I haven't lost money on it, but I'm also not making money this year either on the FTSE. Although I have developed 2 EAs that I'm using entirely just on the FTSE, and the EAs are doing very well. This month, so far, it has, between the 2 A's, I've had a 17% growth. And this is now in October in 2019. I should have mentioned that earlier, but I will mention it in the title too, so that people know more or less when this video was made. As too many people make videos on YouTube, but they are so outdated, it's just not true. Righto, let's see if we can get a screenshot of the background. You can see there's another monument in the background over there. I must say, certain areas of Phnom Penh is very nice, very clean, and really not bad. But there are other areas, I think, which nobody will dare to show you in actual fact. But I'll go there later on, and I will make some videos there, but in another day, another time, another video, not in the trading. Anyhow, I'll go back on to find somewhere where I can sit down and use as an office today. As I've mentioned in my in the text, sometimes from time to time I land up doing some teaching work in Southeast Asia, just to fill in a little bit on my income. Because my income, what I'm trading on, is quite small. It's not really very, very big. So to make a living trading Forex, earning about 5%, an average of 5% per month, yes, you really have to work quite close on your budget. And I like to do compounding, because when you're doing compounding on your account will grow tremendously. You'll be surprised. Once your account reaches a certain point and you're compounding, the speed at which it starts growing is just unbelievable, really. And the possibility of when you're trading and you're using the correct trading principles, for instance, for every one you risk, you must make at least 3 or 4 profit. I always try and work on a 1 to 3 minimum, or preferably a 1 to 4 risk-reward ratio. Trading that way, it works out quite well, because you can have a couple of losses and one trade will put you straight back into the money again. If you're using correct money management, sure, you'll always come back into the money again. Always, believe me. I don't go anything under a 1 hour chart. Mainly I trade on a daily chart. And yes, unfortunately on a daily chart, your stops are a lot bigger than on a 15-minute or a 1 hour chart. But at least your chances of making a profit are much better and much higher. More about that at a later stage. For now, I want to try and see if I can find my motorcycle, where I've parked it, if it's still there. And maybe I'll find somewhere else where we can sit down and talk, or else I'll continue this video from my apartment a little bit later on. I must say, the traffic in this city, oh boy, I promise you, I have never seen anything like it. You mustn't think because you're traveling down a one-way, cars and motorcycles won't be coming up against the traffic. It's just unbelievable the way these people drive. For the few accidents I've seen here, it's just unbelievable. If this was in South Africa, I don't know. I don't think that you can drive like this in any other place in this world, not the way these guys are driving over here. But anyhow, it's still quite great living here. And soon I'll maybe be moving on to Vietnam, see how it's in Vietnam. And then I'll maybe decide on a place to settle down and just concentrate on the trading. The website is coming along very nicely, and everything should be in place very soon. The EAs will be up on the MetaTrader store for rent in the very near future. So guys that want to rent can welcome to go there and to rent the EA, and you can place it on your account, and I will assist you in all ways that I can assist you to make you profitable. Thank you very much. See you later.